everyone, for today's video we have a event, no, the birthday celebrant of Dr. Elizalde. Ayan, Doc, happy birthday, Doc, and thank you so much for inviting me here, Doc. And of course si Mayor Joey Espama and Ma'am Twinkle, no, dilibas-labas sa mga bisita. And of course ang atong catering, no, the one and only meriendas ni Mama Inday.
Dili ko sure kung kuhaan ka na ako ning gibuhat nga celebration kay it's a double-edged na purpose kay dili ko sure kung napako ba next year pa or what. Di ko po. Bitaw, for me everything is destiny, no. Gikan ko og kami in that time and then promise na may oriental.
Kiss me and the time. Kiss me and the time. Kiss me all the time. Hold me, darling. Hold me real time. Kiss me, hold me all the time. Hold your mind, yeah. Somebody, dance with somebody. With somebody to love you. Dance with somebody. Oh, you never hit with somebody. Dance with somebody. With somebody.
So karon guys, no, mga onata kay medyo gutom na, no, kay alas 3 na sa hapon, so mao to. Ingani gining singer guys, no, ulahi gid siya sa maong kaon, no. Usahi mahutdan, usahi pod mabinlan. So mao to, laban ng kadiring dapitan. Sana all. Sana all.
Ng iyong pagmamahal.
So mao to guys, no, nahuman na ang atong set kay tungod napa sila'y mga duty, no, kung naa sila'y meeting. So murag 1 hour lang man siguro kung nagkanta, no, at least nalingaw sila bisag kadali lang, no. Oo, daghan kayong salamat kay Doc Elizalde for inviting me. And once again, Doc, happy birthday and God bless you always, Doc. No, thank you so much. And of course, salamat sa mga tao nga nagpabilin pa, no. Oo. And of course, thank you so much for watching, guys. No, thank you so much sa mga nag-support sa akong mga vlog, no. Thank you kaayo sa labi na sa akong mga followers, no. Thank you so much sa inyo guys and God bless you.